Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard in this smartphone. You have to open the Play Store. Now just wait. Tap on the search pull and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application from Erwin Apps, so let's install. Right now we can open, and as you can see we have to click to enable in the settings. Tap on the switcher, then click OK for 2 times. Right now just go back, switch input methods, click to English United States keyboard and tap finish. And take a look right now. Okay, let's close these messages because this smartphone is a little bit laggy. Let's open it again. Okay, never mind. Let's try to open another one, for example, Play Store. And as you can see right now, when you are going to use our keyboard, as you can see, this wallpaper has changed. When you tap here, we get also emojis. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.